Welcome, my ultimate music teacher friends. I'm about to reveal tip number 5 of the top 10 tips. This may be the most important piece of advice for something that you need to do before you start thinking about teaching music theory. It certainly was for me. I'm about to share that in this video so that you can implement this teaching tip number 5, this powerful tip right now. Are you ready for this one? My name is Glory St. Germain, and I'm the founder of Ultimate Music Theory. And we are a one-stop shop with a complete music theory workbook system and the Ultimate Music Theory Certification Elite Educator Program. And this program is exclusively for music teachers, just like you, walking you through from where you are now to where you want to be in your business with having a positive and purposeful, and probably one of the most important things too is having a profitable music teaching business. Visit us at MusicBusinessMastery.live and sign up for our 3-day live music teacher training. Now, I've also been a music teacher for over 30 years, and during that time, I have collected a vast amount of information that I share with you on our Ultimate Music Theory YouTube channel. So go ahead and click the subscribe button and the little icon, the little bell icon, so you never miss a video. I'm so excited to share these with you. In teaching tip number 6, you met Kathy Grimbley, superstar, and you heard how she implemented these teaching tips into her studio with massive teaching success. Today's teaching tip, number 5, is exclusively for music teachers who are interested in teaching music theory more effectively and more profitably. And yes, this is all possible for you. How to help your students translate the language of music theory into their musicianship skills so that others can benefit from your amazing teaching. So your teaching is really providing massive knowledge and a skill set that students will take with them for forever. And that's what it's all about. So let's dive into teaching tip number 5 of 10. Tip number 5 is focus and finances. One challenge we often face is where to focus our attention on in building our music business. Is it learning how to become a better music teacher? How to get more students? It's always a question. How to connect on a deeper level to help our students succeed? And most importantly, continue to stay with us, right? Our focus ultimately reflects onto our finances. Our finances are determined by our income. So now how we generate increased revenue into our teaching without increasing our teaching time is the question. And yes, that is possible. Our investment in our continued education, and now one of the most important aspects to put our focus on, obviously, is that we need to continue education. And ultimately, our finances directly impact how we live our lives with joy, with passion, and with purpose. And I believe that there are 2 important elements that we really must address. And it has to be addressed in living our best life, which is what I ultimately wish for you, your best life. So first, your focus determines your outcomes. Your focus determines your outcomes. What you focus your attention on grows. And what you focus your energy on becomes your reality. Think about, what are you focusing on? When you focus, and your focus is on the positive success building opportunities that you are truly going to want to achieve, you need to do that with accountability and with a strategic action plan. Can you see how that's going to work for you? You are in the driver's seat of what you want your life to be. So the question for you is, where's your focus? Second, your finances are your responsibility. And we all have opportunities in life, all of us. It's what we focus on that determines our financial planning and how we choose to run our music teaching business. There's lots of options for us, right? The key to financial success is to learn, to understand, and embrace your business plan. And then stick to it. It can be a challenge. So what's your music teaching financial plan? A timeless quote by Benjamin Franklin is this: by failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. Now, one of our Ultimate Music Theory certified teachers, Mark Fanschmidt, brilliant man. He lives in the US, he runs a studio there, and he achieved first-class honors with distinction in the Ultimate Music Theory Certification Elite Educator Program. And we are super proud of our wonderful Mr. Mark. He invested in himself and he focused on how he could achieve financial growth in his Ultimate Music Theory Teaching Club classes. And what were the results? Well, Mark shared that when he was teaching and as he continues to teach UMT Club classes, it increased his business profitability by 60%. That's incredible. The reason for his success? Focus. Focus on personal development and implementing the strategies in the UMTC Elite Educator Program while creating continuous financial growth for his music teaching business. As you focus on your own education to elevate your knowledge and skill set as a professional teacher, wow, you will elevate your finances and grow your music teaching business successfully. Yay. And I wish that for you, which is why I'm inviting you to attend our teacher training. This 3-day Music Business Mastery live event will be a game changer for your music teaching business. We'll talk about focus and finances, and you'll learn the exact systems you need to elevate your income, to impact your teaching, and to grow your expert music teaching business. So get registered now. Hop over to MusicBusinessMastery.live. Until next time, I'm Gloria St. Germain. Teach with passion.